Hello there, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can host your website for free. You don't have to pay for anything. You don't need to buy domain and hosting for it. This is completely free. This is my portfolio website. Here you can see. And now I'm going to upload this or host this in a free hosting platform. So now I'll actually show you how you can host your website for free. So we are going to go with Infinity or Infinity Free. So just go to the Infinity Free, type Infinity Free and search it on the Google, and then here you will find www.infinityfree.com. Go there and it will actually take you to this page. What you have to do, you have to actually register your account. You have to register through Gmail. So I already registered through my Gmail. Here you can see this is my Gmail, and when you will actually register, then let me show you the home page, how it will actually look like. So this is the home page. Now, if you want to create any domain, what you have to do, you have to come to this section. Here you can see your accounts, and here we have plus create account, right? Here you can see plus icon. So to create a new domain, you can actually click here, plus create account. But the problem is you cannot create more than 2 domain here, you can see. So I already paused one of my domain to show you how you can actually create new domain. Now let's say if you want to delete existing domain, what you have to do, you have to open the domain, okay, and you have to go for the account settings, and then here you can see deactivate account. So you can deactivate it, okay. You don't have to actually delete it permanently, but you can deactivate this domain. All right. Now if I go back, here you can see we are updating your account, so we have to wait for some time. Now here you can see I have actually deactivated my 2 domain. Here you can see. Now I'll show you how you can create new domain. So here you can see we have plus icon here and create account. So we'll click here to create new domain. Here you will find 4 different options, and we are going to go with the $0. So we are going to click here create now, and here we go. Now we have to give here subdomain. Now you can see there we have bunch of different domain extensions, so you can choose any of it, and I'm going to go with the infinityfreeapp.com, and here we have to give a subdomain. So subdomain means you cannot give your existing domain. So what you have to do, you have to give here a domain name and then check the availability. If it is available, then go with it. Otherwise, you have to change the domain name. All right, I have this domain here. You can see test data visionary, and then the extension will be testdatavisionary.infinityfreeapp.com. So I'll click here check availability if it is exist or not. Here you can see it allow me to continue with this domain. So yes, I will go, and here I'm going to now click create account. So you don't have to actually change the account password because we have the account password, right? When we actually create our account for Infinity Free, that password will be added here automatically. Now we'll click here create account, and the label must be bit. Okay, so here you can see website for test. Okay, so we can actually change it, right? And we can actually say here test data visionary. Okay, fine. Now email, I will actually say I approve, and now we'll click here create account. Here you can see our account is now setting up. Here we go, we got our domain here, and this is our username and this is our password. Now I'll actually click here in the visit site. I'll open it in a new tab to check, and here you can see this is our website, but we are going to upload our this portfolio website here, okay, this portfolio website here. So let's go back to the domain here, and we'll go to the control panel. Here you can see in the left side we'll find control panel option, and you will find file manager. So you can directly go to the file manager, but I love to actually show you at first control panel. So I'm going to click here control panel, and here it will actually show you control panel, and from here you just have to say I approve. That's it. Thanks. The panel will now be loaded. Here you can see, and yeah, we are in now C panel. Now here you can see we have file manager option, right? So we don't need to actually directly go from here. All right. Now what I have to do, we have to actually go for the file manager at first, right? As my project don't have any database related things, so this will be easy. And let me know in the comment section if you need to upload your PHP project inside this Infinity Free. php.com. Okay, if you want to upload your PHP project, I will show you step-by-step process. Just let me know in the comment section. Okay, so this is a really simple website with, using just only HTML, CSS and Bootstrap and maybe JavaScript. That is the reason I'll just go with only online file manager. There will be no database related things. We are not going to touch any of it. Okay, so we'll click here online file manager. Open it in a new tab. Here we go. So guys, here you can see we have all of these files and everything. So never delete this htdocs. Okay, never delete this htdocs. You may actually delete all the file inside htdocs. Let's just delete all of them. It's not a big deal, but you cannot actually delete the root folder that called htdocs. You can actually delete all of them, but I will suggest you to know, you shouldn't delete this, right? Okay, now let's go for the htdocs, and here we have to upload our project. Now click here in the upload. Here you can see upload, and go for the folder or the zip file. Okay, so I will love to actually zip it. Okay, so I'm going to go here, and I'm going to right click on the folder, on my project, and here I'm going to compress to zip it. Okay, so zip it, and here I'm going to say portfolio. All right, now I'm going to upload this zip file here. So I'm going to go to the zip and extract session, and from here I'm going to choose the file, and my file is inside web technologies, and from here I will upload this zip file. Okay, open it, and now click here upload and extract. Here you can see it will now uploaded. It will be uploaded and extract here. Portfolio ChatGPT. We got it, right? So guys, here you can see we have all the file. Now we are going to select all of them, and we have to move all the files into the root directory. So what is the root directory? Root directory is the htdocs folder itself. So what I have to do, we have to actually click here move. Here you can see in the top button, top right corner, we have move option. So we'll click here move, and here you can see this is the root folder, right? So we are going to go with the parent directory, and that is htdocs. All right, and here we are going to move it. So if you scroll a little bit down, you will find option called move. Now click here move. Here we go. Now we have moved all the files from this folder. Here we go. Now inside htdocs we have this folder, and this is empty, so we are going to delete this. All right, here we go. Now we are going to access our domain once again, and if we refresh, I can see now my website is live. Here we go. Now every single page is working. Here you can see perfectly, right? All right, so here you can see now I am not from my local disk. I am from Infinity Free website, right? So this is how actually you can host your website with no cost. Okay, so this is just a simple project using HTML. You can upload Laravel project also. You can upload PHP project also. And if you don't know how to do this, let me know in the comment section. I will make another video for this. Thank you so much for watching.